Okay, we asked the Facebook group, if you've got an unexpected $10,000 today, what would you do with it? And we did a bit of a poll, if you will, Johnny boy.
Yeah.
36% of you who filled it out said invest it. 28% said pay off debt. 14% said put it towards home improvements. Save for a specific goal. 14%. 7% take a holiday. And then 1%, said other. Christy said offset account. So effectively just hold.
Yeah. Jenny, helping the kids and giving some to my charity. That's important. Well, you could say both of them are charities.
You could. Robbo, create an emergency fund with like the kind of a wet eye emoticon, like whatever you call it.
Lauren says put it towards kids' school fees.
Get one or 2 years out of that. Julian, put some of it, split some up, 5K in savings, 2,500 in emergency fund, 1,200 into debt and investing. So there you go. What would you do with 10?
Well, I was actually going to ask you that first, but you beat me to it. I'm sort of doing this now, to be honest. I didn't have a spare 10, but I'm spending 10. A lifestyle-wise, ice bath.
What are they worth?
Give or take, 5-ish.
The ice bath's $5,000 because it's got a refrigeration unit that cools. Okay, so you don't actually have to put physical ice.
No, correct.
Okay, so it's a refrigeration
and filtering system,
okay.
and all the bells and whistles, and a pizza oven for the deck. So
well,
yeah.
When you get that pizza oven, you invite me over.
You'll be first on the invite.
Probably won't be.
What are you doing with it?
Oh, I'm probably just putting it as savings / offset account.
Yeah, got everything you need.
Yeah, and I think it's important to always have, when we get to a position with our financial affairs and with that question of like, okay, if $10,000 did come in today, to not actually, I need this or I want this.
Yeah.
And I think, I've got what I need at the moment.
Yeah.
But I've got the philosophy, because I don't need anything at the moment, I would put that $10,000 on an offset account as dry powder if a future opportunity came up.
Yeah, no, that's a good idea. And it's an interesting question, isn't it? Because your time in life is an important thing, but and we back end that question from the property, it was like, well, why are we doing all this? And sometimes smelling the roses is a good thing, but not smelling the roses when you're 22 and you've got bad debt and all those other things. We've got to be putting it in perspective, right?
So that I think last week or the week before or whatever, I don't know when it was up, in the after party we talked about the person who got the Powerball.
Yes.
They text me the other day. Like, the money landed, all that. I said, amazing. I demand a screenshot. Look at this, John. That's their bank account.
Wow.
30,500,000.
And it's all available.
All available to spend.
That is astronomical.
So they're working with one of our advice partners to make sure things happen early. Because just a sidebar to that, sometimes with ultra high net worth clients, not all the time, they will move you out into a wholesale investor.
Yeah.
Which no SOA, here's 200 grand into this. You lose a whole heap of consumer protections. And I really think it's important seeing a financial advisor, structuring everything, formal advice, no matter how much money there, you're not outside of that consumer protection environment.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
You do need a statement of advice. Yeah. There's more disclosure and all that stuff. So we'll keep everyone updated of what happens.
Surely a $2 million investment property is in the...
Well, no. I said to the advisor and to the person when I talked to them, I'm like, carve out 5 or 6 million.
Yeah.
Go to John. Tell him you want 5 properties. Because property will be part of their broader strategy. So,
bit to play with.
Yes.